Discover how to set up multiple passive income streams and make money while you sleep. Imagine you wake up tomorrow and the last thing on your mind is worrying about the alarm clock going off. In fact, even though it's a work day for most people, it's not for you. You have the freedom to do what you want when you want. If you want to travel, you can. You never have to worry about money. You have no debt. And you get to spend as much time as you want with the people that you love. For most people, this may sound like a fairy tale. But this is what your life can be like when you have multiple streams of passive income. Many people think that making money passively is too hard, or that it requires you to have money to make money. But none of this is actually true. The truth is anyone can create a very nice six-figure passive income if they know what they're doing. You don't need any prior experience. You don't even need a lot of money to get started. There's a step-by-step process to building multiple streams of passive income. Once you know exactly what that process is, all you have to do is follow the steps to success and you will make money. Although there is a lot of information online that promises to show you how to generate passive income, most of the free information you'll find out there is missing pieces or it just doesn't work. Unfortunately, most of the horror stories and people talking about how hard it is to make passive income are from people that just decided to wing it. The bottom line is this. There are details that will make all the difference in the world when it comes to building multiple streams of passive income. When you do things the right way, you can quickly build a very solid six-figure passive income. But if you do things wrong, you could find yourself wasting a lot of time, getting extremely frustrated, and ultimately never making the kind of money that you want to make. To get the best results and build multiple streams of passive income fast, you need to follow a proven roadmap to success. You need to do what others have done to build solid passive income streams, and you can expect the same results. That's why I've put together the ultimate step-by-step guide to building a six-figure passive income. Inside you'll learn why passive income is the best business model, how to use passive income streams to begin to build true wealth, multiple methods for building passive income streams, which passive income stream methods you should start with, the step-by-step process to start building your first passive income stream today, how to set goals and scale up your passive income as quickly as possible, the foolproof strategy to begin growing your passive income streams on complete autopilot, plus a whole lot more. You'll walk away from this step-by-step guide with everything you need to quickly start building passive cash flow. No stones are left unturned inside this step-by-step guide. You'll be able to use this to start making passive income even if you have no prior business experience. You don't have a website. You don't have any type of following or list. You're not tech savvy. You don't need anything but this powerful guide. When you follow what's inside this guide, you'll have everything you need to start building passive income streams right away. And it doesn't stop there. You'll discover how to quickly scale up quickly to a job-crushing income. And unlike most business opportunities out there, you don't need a lot of money to get started. In fact, many of the methods for making passive income can be started with little to no initial investment. But really, the best part about this is the price. Although you'll discover the exact steps you need to take to build a six-figure passive income, and most experts out there are charging hundreds or even thousands of dollars for this sort of training, you won't have to pay anywhere near that today. For a very limited time, I'm going to let you have access to this powerful guide at a massive discount. To get started and lock in your special pricing, click the Add to Cart button below. And it's about to get even better. When you make the wise decision to grab this guide now, you'll get multiple Fast Action bonuses for free. Fast Action bonus number 1 is a cheat sheet that breaks down the entire course into some very easy to follow step-by-step processes. This cheat sheet makes it easy to stay focused and see success. Fast Action bonus number 2 is a mind map that gives you an overview of every step you need to apply to see success. It's great for those people that need to see it all laid out in a visual format. Fast Action bonus number 3 is a resource guide that conveniently lists all of the important tools and resources you need to start building passive income streams fast. Fast Action bonus number 4 is a passive income infographic that makes it easy to quickly look at an illustrated guide to stay on task. Please don't delay. If you come back tomorrow, the price may be higher and it's possible that this offer may not even be available. If you're ready to learn how to start making money while you sleep and how to ultimately scale up to a six-figure income as quickly as possible, click the button below to get instant access and get started today.